Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will compare Lexus versus Porsche suspension. Lexus vehicles are renowned for their exceptionally smooth and quiet rides, a direct result of their meticulously engineered suspension systems. These systems often incorporate advanced adaptive variable suspension, which continuously adjusts damping force to optimize comfort and stability. This focus ensures that even on less-than-perfect roads, occupants experience a serene and isolated journey. It's all about delivering a luxurious and refined driving experience, making every trip feel effortless and calm. Now, let's shift to Porsche. Porsche's suspension philosophy is fundamentally different, focusing on exhilarating performance and razor-sharp handling. Their systems, like Porsche Active Suspension Management, are engineered to provide immediate feedback and superior control, allowing drivers to feel intimately connected to the road. This setup ensures minimal body roll during aggressive cornering and maximum grip, translating into a truly dynamic and engaging driving experience. It's about precision, agility, and the thrill of driving a high-performance machine. So, what are the key differences? Lexus suspensions are engineered for supreme comfort, absorbing road imperfections to deliver a plush, quiet ride. Porsche, on the other hand, prioritizes a direct, communicative feel, optimizing for high-speed stability and cornering prowess. While Lexus aims to isolate you from the road, Porsche wants you to feel every nuance. Ultimately, the better suspension depends entirely on your driving style and what you value most: serene luxury or thrilling, responsive performance. In conclusion, both Lexus and Porsche offer exceptional suspension systems, but they cater to distinct driving philosophies. If your priority is a supremely comfortable, quiet, and refined journey, Lexus will likely be your preferred choice. However, if you crave exhilarating performance, precise handling, and a deep connection to the road, Porsche's engineering will truly shine. We recommend test driving both to truly feel the difference. Also, for those looking to simplify their week, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.